Hello, everyone, and welcome. Many Nigerians in the United States have asked me to tell them about legit ways for Nigerians in the USA to make money online that is not available to Nigerians in Nigeria. So, this is what I will be telling you in this video today. There's a lot of opportunities that Nigerians in USA can use that is not available to Nigerians in Nigeria. So, legitimate online income opportunities available to Nigerians in the USA. Nigerians living legally in the United States have access to online income opportunities that are restricted, unavailable, or difficult to use from Nigeria. The main advantages are access to US only platforms, local payment systems such as ACH and PayPal, stronger consumer access, and the ability to perform location dependent services. However, available in the USA does not mean automatic approval. You must use your real US identity, address, tax information, and payment details. Never use a VPN, rented account, fake address, or someone else's identity. Why the USA offers more options for Nigerians to work. Number one reason for this is because many online platforms limit users by country because of payment regulations, advertising markets, identity verification, insurance, or the location of the customers being served. Some opportunities are technically accessible from Nigeria but offer fewer tasks, lower rates, or no withdrawal option. Nigerians in the USA can generally use USA bank accounts, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, and other payment systems that may be unavailable or restricted in Nigeria. They can also access US-only research panels, local delivery platforms, gig marketplaces, and services requiring a physical presence. The opportunities below are currently practical strategy categories, but platform availability and terms can change. Number one is prolific academic research. Prolific pays participants for taking part in academic and market research studies. Its participant pool is country limited and being physically resident in the United States can make you eligible for studies not shown to people located in Nigeria. Now, how does this work? You create an account using your genuine US residence and identity information. You complete the About You profile accurately. You receive invitations to survey, interviews, experiments, and research tasks. You complete studies carefully and withdraw through the payment method the platform supports. Prolific is not a full-time income source. It is better treated as flexible side income, and the number of available studies depends on your demographic profile and current research demand. Number two is user testing and website testing. User testing companies pay people to use websites, mobile applications, prototypes, and digital products while explaining what they think. US-based participants are often valuable because many companies specifically need feedback from American consumers. What you may do. Test a website or mobile app. Record your screen and voice while completing tasks. Join live interviews with product researchers. Answer follow-up questions about your experience. You need a reliable internet connection, a quiet place, a microphone, and the ability to explain your thought clearly. Approval is not guaranteed, and test invitations may be irregular. Number three is US only survey and consumer panels. Several market research platforms, primarily serve people in the United States. They may pay through PayPal, gift cards, direct deposit, or other US friendly methods. Examples of the types of services to investigate include the following. Number one of this is consumer opinion panels, product testing panels, political and public opinion surveys, grocery and shopping research, mystery shopping assignments, and then mobile usage and advertising studies. All these are examples of surveys and tasks you can do. Survey income is usually modest. Avoid any platform that requires you to pay an activation fee, promises unusually high returns, or asks you to falsify your location. Number four is DoorDash Uber Eats, Instacart, and similar gigs. If you have the required documents, vehicle insurance, and work authorization, you may earn through location based delivery platforms. These services are generally unavailable to someone living in Nigeria because the work requires physical delivery in the United States. Possible income sources for this kind of work is restaurant deliveries, grocery shopping and delivery, package delivery, grocery store fulfillment, peak hour and promotional bonuses. Then also customer tips are there for you to take part in. Your real profit is not the amount shown in the app. Deduct fuel, maintenance, insurance, phone costs, packaging, parking, vehicle depreciation, and taxes before calculating your earnings. Number five is TaskRabbit and local online to offline services. TaskRabbit connects customers with people who perform local services. Although customers may find you online, the work usually happens physically in the local community. So that means you must be physically present in the local community. Possible categories include furniture assembly, moving assistance, mounting televisions and shelves, cleaning, yard work, errands, packing and unpacking, basic administrative assistance, amongst others. This is especially useful if you live in a metropolitan area and have practical skills. Your profile should contain clear service descriptions, accurate availability, and honest photographs of previous work. So you should have a skill for you to be able to do electrician, plumbing, and others. Number six is Rover and Pet Care Services. Rover connects pet owners with sitters, dog walkers, and boarding providers. Nigerians in Nigeria cannot normally perform the US-based local services or service, but someone residing in the United States may be able to do so after passing the platform's checks. Services can include the following: dog walking, pet sitting in the owner's home, boarding pets in your home, drop-in visits, house sitting, or we can also call it babysitting. You should understand local housing rules, landlord restriction, insurance requirements, and the risk of caring for animals before accepting the bookings. Number seven is selling on US marketplaces. Selling on US marketplaces. Living in the United States makes it easier to sell products through platforms that are designed around US sellers, fulfillment networks, and domestic shipping. Potential channels include the following: Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Etsy. We also have Amazon. We also have Postmark. We also have Depop. We also have Mercari. We also have One Man Marketplace where it is eligible. You can sell used items, Nigerian clothing and accessories, handmade products, vintage goods, digital designs, or products purchased wholesale. Domestic shipping and US payment access can give you an advantage over a seller shipping every item internationally from Nigeria. Do not sell counterfeit goods, restricted products, copied designs, or items that violate marketplace rules. Number eight is print on demand for the US market. This also can make you money if you are in the US as a Nigerian. Print on demand allows you to upload designs for shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and other products. A supplier prints and ships the item when a customer orders it. The US advantage is not necessarily exclusive. Platform access. It is easier fulfillment, faster delivery, local returns, and access to US payment and advertising systems. A practical approach is as follows: choose a focus niche, create original designs, connect a store to a print on demand supplier, then test product titles, images, and prices. Then promote through short form video, Pinterest, email, or paid advertising. Do not upload football logos, movie characters, celebrity, others that you will see without permission. You can also go into affiliate marketing and others. I will see you in the next one. If you have comment and question, drop it in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, my name is Dr. Olubunga Adetutun, and on this channel, I bring information on how to make money both online and offline. I am going to see you in the next one.